Hi, Ivy League family. It's Marissa Leiser and
Haley Leiser.
We are going to put together a great quick recipe that you all can make at home, something that reminds us of camp. Who doesn't love sitting around a campfire and making s'mores? So today we're going to make s'mores cookie cups. So the ingredients that you need, it's really simple. You need graham crackers,
marshmallows,
unsalted butter,
2 Hershey chocolate bars or any chocolate bars,
and some Pam or oil to grease the pan. And then the equipment that you need is a muffin tin. You can use either a mini muffin tin or a full-size muffin tin. We only have a full size. So the recipe calls for 24 mini muffin cups. We're gonna try to make 12. And then you just need a mixing bowl
and
a spoon. All right, so hang tight and we'll be right back. Okay, so the first step in the directions is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. While I do that, Haley is gonna take 7 graham cracker sheets. So you wanna take the full cracker. So it's gonna be 7 of these, and you're going to crush them up into small crumbs and put them into a mixing bowl. So
but first, wash your hands.
Yes, exactly. Make sure you wash your hands first.
Okay, so I'm just gonna...
You want to crush them up into small little pieces. The smaller, the better.
So, you can also put it in a bag, which we thought was what we think is easier, because and then get like
so we took the graham crackers, we crumpled them up as best we can, and then we put them into a Ziploc bag, and now we have a little pounder, and we're just gonna pound the graham crackers because you want it to be really finely chopped, as fine as possible. Okay, so the next step, once you have those finely chopped graham crackers in the bowl, we need to add the butter. So we're gonna take 6 tablespoons of melted butter. So first you take your unsalted butter. We have our tablespoon. We're gonna measure out 6 tablespoons, and then we are going to put it in the microwave to melt it. Okay, so we just took our butter out of the microwave. We started on 30 seconds and then put it in for another 20. So we recommend doing it in increments of 20 or 30 seconds just to make sure, because everybody's microwave might be a little bit different. So then we just take that melted butter and we combine it into the graham cracker crumbs. And then just take a spoon and mix it all together so that the graham crackers get fully coated with the butter. Okay, so the next step, once you mix the butter and the graham crackers, is to take your cooking spray and just grease the muffin tin. So make sure all the sides of each muffin tin gets fully greased. And then we're going to take the graham cracker and butter mixture, take a spoonful, put it into 1 muffin tin at a time, and then you just gently take your fingers to press the graham cracker crumbs into the muffin tin so that it makes the shape of a little cup, just like that. Okay, so we got our graham crackers and butter into 7 muffins. The recipe that we are going to link with this video originally calls for mini muffin tins, so you're able to get more. We only had large muffin tins, so we were only able to make 7 cups, but there's only 4 of us in our family, so it's perfect. All right, so once you have your oven heated to 350 degrees, you're going to take the muffin tin with the graham crackers and place them in the oven for 4 minutes, just to get them lightly browned. So we're gonna stick them in the oven, set our timer for 4 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, so our cups are just about done in the oven. We actually ended up putting them in the oven for 6 minutes and not 4. Every oven is a little bit different, so just make sure you check on them. Definitely start with 4 minutes and then see if you need to add them in a little bit longer. They should be lightly browned when they're done. So here we go. Here's what ours look like. Our next step, we're going to turn our oven off of bake and turn it on to broil. So our next step, Haley's eating a marshmallow. You can eat a marshmallow in between if you want to. But you're gonna take regular sized marshmallows. So not mini marshmallows, not jumbo marshmallows. Regular sized marshmallows. If you're doing the mini muffin cups, you're gonna cut each marshmallow in half. If you're using regular sized muffin cups like we are, you're just gonna take one marshmallow and put it inside each cup. Put it flat side down. So it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Okay, so flat side down, so they look like that. And then once your oven is on broil, you're going to stick it in the oven on broil for 1 to 2 minutes. But watch them very carefully because the marshmallows are gonna cook really fast and you don't wanna burn them. So keep an eye on them. It should be about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so now the best part, we take our Hershey bar. You're gonna break off each little square of the Hershey and press 1 into each marshmallow.
And we only need 1 chocolate bar because we only made 7.
Right, so it's one square of Hershey for each marshmallow.
How do you do that?
Stick it into the marshmallow. And then you let them cool for 15 minutes. Okay, so once they're cooled, you take a butter knife and you carefully take the cup, without it falling apart. That one fell apart.
We don't have to put that clip in.
Yeah, delete that. So we're gonna have Haley here be our taste tester.
No.
2 thumbs up. All right, we did it. S'mores cookie cups. Shout out to our good friend Cricket for sending this recipe to us. If you guys get a chance to make this recipe at home, post pictures or videos on our Facebook or Instagram page and tag us. If you have any fun recipes that you're making at home that you'd like to share with your Ivy League family, you can email them to us as well and we will share them for you. So we hope everybody is safe and well. Enjoy your s'mores. Bye.